and welcome. This is Markets at Lunch, and it's turning out to be a day of consolidation, though on very low volume.
Also, as always, we've got technical calls coming in through the show. C.K.NARAYAN and Ashwini Gujral will join us live on the show with trading ideas in this market.
Very sustainable at that. If you recall, we had discussed yesterday what would be the support level. I said around 47.30 is where I'm looking at. So from a positive perspective, the index has not gone below that. In fact, it made a low exactly at about 47.31 so far and has moved up from there. But then the very low volumes leaves it out in a limbo. You can very quickly break bottoms if you do not have large volumes. Even a small amount of selling would be sufficient to break, either an upside level or a downside level, but both of which would remain largely meaningless because of the lack of volumes. I think the lack of volumes is mainly because of a lack of conviction in what is the immediate trend. People have been shaken quite a bit by the upside and downside gaps and the sustained downside gaps. With 48.60, which was deemed to be a fairly strong level, that having been decisively broken, I think people are now spooked into believing that we could see much lower levels. So I think that is why no fresh buying is coming in. Most of the shorts seem to be closed as well. Intraday trading shorts are being opened. So I think we'll have the situation perhaps last for a day or two more. Maybe gold going down the way it has, it's now trading down to about below $1,660. That could probably, if you look at it from a fear trade perspective, the fear may be sort of receding about wars in Europe. So finally that may have to translate into something positive in equities hopefully. But then all these things are awaited, and which is possibly why you're having these low volumes. And therefore, this entire query mark on its this eventual sustainability.
Right, CK.